सो गाइस वेलकम टू माय चैनल द ट्रैवल थिंग। और अभी मैं रेडिसन सेलम में रुका हुआ हूँ एंड ये मेरे साथ है मिस्टर प्रवीण जो कि फ्रंट ऑफिस मैनेजर हैं। एंड ये हमें पूरी प्रॉपर्टी का वॉक थ्रू कराएंगे बहुत ही डिटेल में। एंड या लेट्स सी।
Sure. Hi all, I am Praveen here. I am the front office manager here. So I'll take you
Let's
to the
walk
property. Yes. So we are going to Tangerine now, where we serve our breakfast, lunch and dinner for our in-house guests and for outside as well. So here in Tangerine we serve breakfast in between 6:30 to 10:30.
maybe
This is our dessert section.
okay
So, raw dessert section, bakery. Here comes your veg Chinese. This way. Here comes your all main course.
all right
The salad section. The juice and all. All kebabs and all. Baked fish. We have prawns. And we have Malai Murg kebab.
delicious
Yes. Karai curry, chicken curry we have in the main course.
yeah
We have this Punjabi mutton curry today.
okay
And Ambur mutton biryani we have today. Apart from that, we have this live counter. In case you want to place an order, you can place here.
okay
This is all starter we have. You can see samosas, grilled pineapple, makai ki tikki. We have this Prani paneer tikka, Vietnam fried chicken we have, and then machi koli vada.
and they really have an in-house kiln.
Yes.
perfect आपका नाम परशुराम so meet the real chefs of Redison. okay thank you
Now I'll take you to the GGKF, the Great Kebab Factory. Here we serve Lucknowi kebabs and all.
oh Lucknowi
Different
kebab.
kind of kebabs.
nice.
There we don't serve buffet. We serve only a la carte.
okay
So when we are serving a la carte on the table, we explain about the dishes. So my colleague will explain about the dishes when we serve them.
okay
Function is going on. I don't know. The noise will be there for sure.
no problem we can take a little tour so that people
Alright.
know that you know
Sure.
you have
The name is hidden here. You can show from here.
yeah oh okay the Great Kebab Factory right oh wow this is amazing
Yeah. So our guest is celebrating their 50th birthday actually.
okay
The guest is celebrating their 50th birthday. So because of that, the ticket is sold out.
छोटी खैरों से बड़े सपने दोनों ने मिलकर जी लिए। आपकी शादी का सफर हर किसी के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत है। हम आपसे जरूर
Yeah, I can understand.
कि एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे निभाएं।
even I can see the parking today it's like
Yes.
damn full
Yes.
even you are using that park layer parking
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we have MLC car parking also, wherein we can park 70 car at once.
how many
70 cars.
7 cars
70.
in one 70 cars
70.
okay okay
In the lobby itself, we have this truffle, which is our bakery.
okay
Here we serve pastries and all.
okay
Tea, coffee as well. So this is our truffle pastry shop.
all right
Apart from this, in the lobby we have the flower shop. where you can purchase flower, toys for your kids and all. Some small plants are there. Kid stuffs we have here. Now we'll move to Cosmos Bar. So this we operate like 11 to 11.
Oh wow.
We have international wines and all, beer, whiskey, national as well as international as well.
Okay. And there is a Urban Dhaba is there, right? Last time I visited, this was operational. Is it operational still?
Yes, it's operational.
I mean, kind of for the breakfast.
No, sir, this is our bar cum pub.
Okay.
So this also we operate like 11 to 11.
Okay.
Wherein on Friday and Saturday, on Friday and Saturday we have this ladies' night.
Okay.
Yes. The ambience is amazing.
Yeah.
Whosoever is coming here, they like especially Urban Dhaba because of the ambience actually. You can show the roof as well, yeah.
Yes.
I was talking about this MLC car parking. That's here.
Yeah. It's visible from my room actually.
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
Yes. So as I have explained earlier that in the hotel we have 124 rooms. 124 room is categorized into 6 different categories we have in the hotel. So the first category is superior room, then we have deluxe room, then we have business class room, then we have junior suite, then we have executive suite, and the last one is presidential suite we have in the hotel. So I have showed you all the outlets in the hotel. So total we have 3 outlets for dining. One is Tangerine, second one is TGKF where you can have kebabs and all as I have explained earlier. Then we have this Urban Dhaba bar cum pub where you can have your meal as well as liquor, and then live music will be there in Urban Dhaba. Apart from that, we have a bar which is Cosmos in the lobby level only. So all the outlets we have in the hotel in lobby level only. Floors we don't have anything, just the room only. So I will request all the viewers to visit Radisson Salem and just experience our services, and Happy New Year to all.
And Happy Independence Day as well.
Thank you. Yes.
So मैं प्रवीण से मिला एंड ये बहुत ही बढ़िया रिस्पेक्टिंग पर्सन है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन हॉस्पिटैलिटी है इनकी और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा इनसे मिलके. And we are a little bit connected also since I lived in Whitefield, Murgesh Palya, right?
Yes.
And I also lived in Murgesh Palya in Bangalore, and he worked in Whitefield, and I also live in Whitefield. So it is somewhere we are a little bit connected. Correct. And इन्होंने बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया यहाँ की डिशेस का, टेंजरीन का, एंड बहुत ही लबाबदार डिशेस यहाँ की, मतलब लुक से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कितनी बढ़िया डिशेस हैं. And thank you so much for this detailed explanation.
Pleasure, sir. Serving you, sir.
And
anytime, whenever you come, sir, I'll share my card with you.
Yeah.
Get in touch. Don't book through online and all. Just
Okay.
call me directly, and I'll take care of everything, sir.
That would be really, really great. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.